Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you guys something kind of random, but I think it's really cool. It's this new series I've seen at Walmart recently, and they're these kits of makeup, all for $9.99. And they come with so many cool things. And I've been seeing them a lot. I wasn't sure exactly what they were, so I was kind of watching them for a couple weeks, and I've noticed they change them up frequently. I've seen this one, I've seen one for eyes and eyeshadow, mascara. I've seen one for lips, I've seen them for hair. So it's pretty cool, and for $9.99, I think that's pretty awesome. So I wanted to test this out and also just let you guys know that this is going on right now, and it's such a good deal that I wouldn't pass it up. So anyway, this is the Glow For It Favorites Go Ahead and Shine, the ultimate highlighter and skin luminizing set, valued over $24. And when I first saw these, I was like, okay, it could be good, but it could also be a bunch of cheaper things that don't work as well, or just ones that Walmart is being paid to promote maybe, or Walmart brand. I wasn't sure. But what caught my eye on this one was the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in the shade that I recommend and love. And I saw that they had a bunch of brands that are really great. So, the Milani is a more expensive brand. So these all looked awesome. So you get 5 pieces within this, and I'm just really impressed by this. So anyway, I wanted to open this up, kind of test it out together. This is a random thing, I know, but I was just shocked at the price of this and the quality of the stuff within it. So anyway, I'm gonna try this one out. And so like I said, look at your Walmart, keep an eye on these. Usually kits, I think, are kind of a waste of money because there's usually, you don't use everything in it. But I really wanted to, this one seemed like a good deal. So anyway, okay, so the first thing you get is this Found Miracle Ingredients from Around the World Brightening Coconut Sheet Mask. Brightens uneven skin tone for a healthy looking radiance, 94% natural, one single use mask. So this is just a normal face mask. To me, these usually run about $2.50, $2 depending. So, it's nice. It's not exactly what drew me in. These are typically the kind of things when I see in a kit that can sometimes be a bit of a ripoff, but considering all the other things you get with this, I think this is still a cool thing to try out. So just a normal sheet mask. The next thing you get that I was excited about, just because Milani to me, I know it's drugstore, but it's still a little bit more expensive for drugstore. So I don't always buy all their stuff, but their stuff is really great quality. Like the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation is really good. And I actually know this setting spray is good also. So this is a smaller size, but it's still pretty substantial. It's the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray 16-hour wear test. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna test the spritzer here. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, that's really nice. It doesn't have that really harsh, like, chemically scent, and it is very fine. Sometimes you spray it and it feels like it's like assaulting your face. I hate that. Okay, so that's nice. Not sure the price on this, but I'm gonna look it up and list it down below in case you're interested in buying the full-size version of things, but I think that's pretty good for this. This whole thing is $9. I mean, to me, that's really good. So then this one is the Hard Candy Just Glow Rose Gold Highlighter. So that's nice. I actually have never tried, I don't believe, any of the Hard Candy highlighters, as far as I can remember, maybe a long time ago. But I think the colors in this look really pretty. You can see it's like split up into 3. And I like these trios because you can use them a lot of times for eyeshadows. So I'm gonna do a little swatch. First impression, it's good. Not amazing, but good. A little dusty. So there we go. It's, I'll be honest, I was expecting a little bit more. It's a little dusty, but you can see here, I mean, those are pretty good swatches. Let me put a little bit on my cheek and see how it looks on the skin. Let's do Let's just do a little bit of all of it. I'll do a little bit on the tip of the nose. I mean, it's good. It's not, it's fine. So this one is, it's pretty good. I mean, you can decide for yourself. It's in the middle for me, but I'm pretty picky about highlighters. So then this one, which we know, my favorite highlighter in the whole world, and I've tried so many expensive highlighters, and to me, the Precious Petals Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder is just, it's so good. It's really, really so good. I just can't get over it, and I need a new one, so I'm excited about this. Okay, that's what it looks like. We all know this is amazing, but I'll swatch it anyway. I mean, come on. That's just like, it's so good. Oh, it's like a night and day difference. I mean, the thing with this is it just gives such a glow. That's a terrible swatch. Hold on. I don't know what I'm doing. It just gives like a really natural like glow from within, if that makes sense. Put a little bit on my cheekbone. It's just so pretty. It's the perfect like gold. I just love it. It's what I have on right now, so I'm just topping it off. But you can never have enough. Highlighter, put on my shoulders. Secret. That's a really good tip if you want your collarbones to stick out a little more. Anyway, amazing. I think for this purchase, this alone cost about half the price of the whole thing. So to me, this one, so far I think is worth it, because I believe all other 4 things add up to more than $5 in my opinion. So then the last thing is the Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighter Illuminator. That's what it looks like. I believe Vitalist is by CoverGirl, and it's a little weird that they don't have that brand. Let me see if it says on here. Yeah, CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighter. Try dabbing it onto the cheekbones, down the bridge of a nose. We know the drill. Yeah, so it's CoverGirl. So that's a little weird. It doesn't have it on here, but... So I think this is a cream, and I was actually really excited about this one because to me with these potted cream highlighters, you can totally use them as an awesome eyeshadow. Oh, it's really, really liquidy. Okay. Let me... It's kind of like a mousse, you know? Okay. Too many highlighters. Ooh, that's beautiful. You know, I think this would be really pretty if you didn't have any makeup on and you just wanted like that glow without makeup look. You see that? I think that'd be really pretty. That's really pretty. I think that would be fantastic as eyeshadow. Okay, so you got that. You got the setting spray, highlighting powder, hard candy highlighter, and sheet mask. To me, the real winners in this are this, obviously. This I think is awesome. And this I really like so far. These two are kind of like extras to me. So typically a little bit of advice on how I pick kits that I think are a good idea to purchase versus ones I think aren't worth the money. Because like I said, I think most kits actually are not. I think usually one thing draws you in and you're like, I love that product, so I'm just gonna go ahead and buy this kit. I recommend that at least 1/3 to 1/2 of the products within the kit are all equally exciting to you. The rest you don't know about, you might think you might use, that's fine. But if it's like one thing that's pulling you in and the rest is kind of like, I wouldn't think it's a good idea to buy it. So the reason I wanted this one was because I knew I wanted to try this. I knew I liked the setting spray and I knew I liked the highlighter. And the sheet mask is kind of a bonus. This is the only one I'm like, no go. So in my opinion, I think so far this is a good kit. I actually think I preferred the lip one a little better. It was just, I think it was about 6 full-size nude lipsticks for $9.99, which really good deal. And the other thing that drew me in was the eye palette had the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which on its own is $8.99. So that already is most of the package. It had false eyelashes, I think, an eyeshadow palette. So if I see that again, I'll probably get that to try out. But anyway, kind of random video, but I just saw these and I thought everyone should know about these because I think they're a really good deal. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I thought it was fun. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.